Hey everybody, I'm Keith. This is my 2009 Toyota Scion XB. I just turned a milestone of 350,000 miles and I wanted to share it with you. I've owned this car since new, bought it brand new, and have been really the only driver. I keep it garaged almost every day, and I have since it was new. I have a current round trip commute of about 90 miles, and I put about 20,000 miles a year on it. The engine itself has really been trouble-free. In all those years and miles, I've only had to replace the alternator about 7 months ago, and then the water pump was replaced maybe 40,000 miles ago. Other than that, the engine is completely original. The exhaust is original, and even the clutch is original. I haven't had to mess with any of those. The transmission works great, engine works great. The only issue I had with the engine was that it does burn oil, and it has since the beginning when I got it. It was an issue that Toyota had with these cars. They did a recall, but my car was too old to participate in that, so I just have to add a quart of oil between oil changes. I change the oil every 5,000 to 6,000 miles with Mobil 1, and it continues to run really well. The only issue I've had lately with the car has been some rust in the passenger side rocker. I had some few spots of rust, and then one spot where it perforated it, and I had to repair that. So I used a product called Paint Over Rust 15, POR 15. Worked on that over the spring, and I'm hoping that's going to hold up for a while. Where I live in the state here, it's a northern state, we have annual safety inspections that are mandatory, and if the car doesn't pass that safety inspection, I can't drive the car, so it's pretty critical. The only other issue I've had has been, I think wheel bearings were replaced a couple times in the back. I go through brakes about every 60,000 miles. I replace the brakes, and my tires last about 80,000 miles. And that's really it, just those consumables. I even think the battery is probably 11 years old in the car, and that was recently tested. Other than that, I mean, the car just continues to run really well. I drive it about 90 miles a day for my average commute. I put 20,000 miles a year on it. My plans for the car right now are just to keep driving it. If I have to put some money into it, I will. It doesn't really cost that much. It's a pretty inexpensive car to drive. I definitely want to get it to 400,000, and then we'll just see from there how far it can go. I really don't plan to replace the car until I have a catastrophic failure of either the body or the engine, so we'll keep going. But many people in past videos have dropped comments about their own ownership experiences with the Scion. I really welcome that, and look forward to talking to you about it in the comments. And I really appreciate you watching this video. Thanks. Bye.